Perceptual constancy. Perceptual constancy refers to the tendency to perceive an object you are familiar with as having a constant shape, size, and brightness despite the stimuli changes that occur. Perceptual constancy is a remarkable feat of our perceptual ability to perceive familiar stimuli as constant with reference to size, shape, color, and brightness, irrespective of the change in the environment, location, and characteristics of the stimuli. But what does this really mean? Suppose you are at the neighborhood bus stop with a friend. You see the bus as it turns the corner a few blocks away. From a distance, the bus looks like a mere dot in your field of vision. You put up your palm and notice that you can cover the entire area of the bus with your palm. As the bus approaches the stop, it begins to take up more and more of your field of vision. Your palm no longer covers the area of the bus now. By the time the bus reaches the stop, you realize that the bus is twice as tall as you, despite the fact that the bus now takes up a majority of your field of vision. You don't perceive the bus as having grown. You know that the bus had the same size, rectangular shape, and the brightness now as it did when you saw it in the distance. The reason you know this is due to perceptual constancy. Even though the image of the bus gets bigger in size, you have enough experiences with buses to know that the actual size of the bus remains constant. You are able to perceive the size of the bus as stable even though the features of the bus continually change in your field of vision. It is perceptual constancy that allows you to identify objects under different conditions as you mentally reconstruct images of these objects. Perceptual constancy can be reduced if you are not familiar with the object or if there is a decrease in the number of environmental cues to assist with your object's identification. So what are the different types of perceptual constancies? Well, there are basically three types of perceptual constancies: size, shape, and color. In the following section, we will see each type and will discuss it briefly. Size constancy. Our retinal image of the people standing in this picture is very small, but all thanks to phenomenon of the size constancy, our brain perceives them as people of normal size and know that they will not get crushed under that giant shoe. Shape constancy. As the door swings towards us, its shape changes and so does our retinal image of the door. But still, we perceive the shape of the door as same due to shape constancy. Color or brightness constancy. It is our ability to perceive the color and brightness of stimuli constant even with the changes in the wavelength of the light at our retina. For instance, in figure in front of you, you perceive the color and brightness of text A and B constant, that is light gray, even if I remove the explanation.